Hello, good night. This is a video about how to factory reset your Windows 10 computer system. This is a Windows 10 computer system, so I'm going to show you how to do it. First, click on the Start menu, then go to Settings, click on Settings, then go to Updates and Security, when loaded, look on the left hand side of the screen and click on Recovery. And now you have the options here from the recovery menu on what you would like to do in order to reset your PC. You can click on Reset this PC, or you can go to the Advanced Startup. The more common option is click on Reset this PC. From Reset this PC, you can choose to factory reset the computer, and you have one or two options. You can either keep all your files and then just remove all the applications and settings and have it restored, have Windows restored to a brand new state, like a new working computer, but with all your files saved. Or you can either click on the other option and have it remove all your files, wipe Windows system completely clean, and reinstall Windows and have it completely factory refresh like new. So we're going to click on Get Started under Reset this PC. And here are the options. You can choose from the options. You can either choose either one of these options. You can choose Keep My Files, which removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Or you can click on the second option, Remove Everything, which remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. If you choose the first option, it will remove everything on the system, but it will keep all your personal files and save all of your personal files and stuff stored on it, but it just remove the apps and other stuff that has been installed on the system and have it restored to a state like brand new, or factory set it like new, but it saves all the files or keeps all the files or keeps all your personal files, and that's what that option does. If you click on the second option, it would remove everything, delete all your personal files, delete all of the information and files and everything stored on Windows, and it'll have it restored to a brand new working computer, just like if you now start to use it for the first time, or no setting it up for the first time, and you'd have to go through the options of installing all the necessary information, your Windows Outlook account and everything that you need to set up Windows again and have the computer working normal again. And it'll take some time. It'll take about a few, or it'll take about a couple of, it'll take a number of hours for the process to be completed, but when it's done, they'll bring you back to the state where you can have the computer up and running and working again like new, and you can start to use it again. So this is how you can factory reset your Windows 10 computer system. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.